Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie for a Dollar Tree haul. This haul is really an all over haul, so there's a bunch of different stuff. So let's just jump into it. I'm going to start off with all of the different craft items that I picked up because I always check out their craft section and trying to look for some new fun finds, and some of these are obviously repeats. So for example, the construction paper, this is a repeat, but you do get 10 colors and you do get 3 of each. So really good deal for $1. So picked up some more of this Crayola brand construction paper. And then I found this frozen hand lettering book. I've never seen it before. So it's a hand lettering. So it teaches kids how to do, how to do different lettering. Just trying to show you guys. So traceable letters. Just to show you guys an example. So I thought that was a lot of fun. And they also had, I saw The Little Mermaid as well. I'm not sure if they had any other ones, but those are the ones that I saw. Okay, so what else do we got here? Oh, I was really excited to find these glitter glues. So great for little kids. My daughter likes to use these to paint with a paintbrush. So, squirt a bunch of the glitter glue and then use a paintbrush to paint different activities and things like that. So these are always a lot of fun for kids. You get 10 for $1, so that's pretty good. I also found these. This was new. I've never seen them before. Glitter markers. They had these 2 colors, and then they had, I think it was like an orange and a green. So it says that it's a vibrant metallic ink with glitter. So I thought that was a lot of fun. So grabbed a pack of those. And then I'm always checking out their different crafts in the craft section, and I never saw these before. So these are Foam Fun Craft Pals. Again, another really great activity to do with kiddos. So as you can see, all of the items that you see on the cover here, you get inside the pack. And the really nice thing about these glitter packs, or sorry, not glitter packs, these foam packs, is that they're all peel and stick. So as you can see, you don't need glue, you just peel them and stick them together. So I got the octopus, and then they also had, sorry for the glare guys, the giraffe, and I got the pig, and then they also had a monkey as well. So these are definitely new for my Dollar Tree. And then this was new too, so the play packs. So Dollar Tree always has really fun play packs, but the Christmas Mickey Mouse was new, so I grabbed this package as well. These are always really great for the car. And then these foam stars, another just fun item to decorate and do some crafts with. You see you get 12 there. And then I happened to find these unicorn stickers that I thought would be great for scrapbooking. So these are some pop-ups. Lots of fun. And then these ones are super pretty as well. So from Forever in Time. Yeah. And then the last craft item that I just happened to find is this Disney Junior mini kit. I thought this was a really great find, guys, for $1. This would definitely go for a lot more at a store like Walmart. So this is everything that you get inside. And I literally just happened to find this laying in the aisle. I did not see any other ones. It was just kind of thrown in a pile of other crafts. And I grabbed it. Especially when I find Disney Junior brand. Like, that's brand name stuff. So, lots of fun. All right, so I'm just going to move on to some really random generic items that don't really fit into any other category. So first, starting off with these nails, I'm not going to go on about them. I talk about them in every single Dollar Tree haul that I do. I'm a huge fan. And if you want to know more about that, I have a whole video about it. But these were the ones that I grabbed. Now, none of these are new. But I've used them before and I love them. So I grabbed those. Also grabbed a blender sponge. I love these blender sponges. I've been using them for years. And then really random, some smartwatch accessories. So one is this smartwatch case. And then this smartwatch stand. So it's supposed to be a stand for you to put the battery on. And then it like holds the smartwatch. And then I also got another smartwatch cover, like a plastic shield cover, which I'll insert here. I don't have it with me right now, but I'll insert a clip of it right here so you guys can see that as well. So they had a lot of Apple smartwatch accessories. All right, so now I'm just going to move on to my final items here, some Christmas items. So starting off with these Christmas socks. Now they had a ton of different Christmas socks to choose from and various sizes from like babies that are like 12 months old right up to size 9 for adults that I saw. So first is this like candy cane type pattern, and when you flip it over, it just says Merry Christmas on the bottom. And then these really cute penguin socks. And then on the bottom, it just has that design there. And then I saw these really nice oven mitts. And you can tell it's the buffalo check. One says deck the halls. And the other one says it's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the most wonderful time of the year. They also had things that said, I think it was like Christmas wishes or best wishes. So they definitely had different options to choose from. But how cute are those for decor? Super nice. And then I picked up some Christmas bows. Now, I mean, obviously they're bows, so you can use them for decorating. I got them for crafts, but you can use them for whatever you want to use them for. These were the colors that I was able to find. I couldn't find any other colors. So it's your standard green, gold, silver, and red. And then for some stocking stuffers, I've hauled these already in one of my previous videos. I hauled some of these items. So they definitely have Nickelodeon items. So if you're looking for some really fun stocking stuffers, you kind of have to hunt through them. I found these near the cash register, and they are from Nickelodeon and Disney. So here's one of the cars. And then I had already hauled these in another video. I picked up all of the Paw Patrols that they had except for this one. So I grabbed this one when I went back today. And then my last item, so funny, on the radio on my way to work one of the days last week, I heard them talking about this Christmas tradition that I never heard of. And Dollar Tree just happened to have it when I was there. How funny is that? So how many of you guys know of this tradition? If you know about it, leave a comment below. But I thought that it would just be a lot of fun, so I grabbed it. The tradition of the Christmas pickle. So I'll read it to you here. On Christmas morning, the first person to spot this pickle is rewarded with a special blessing for the coming year and the first present from under the tree. I've also heard other traditions like whoever finds the pickle on Christmas Day also gets an extra gift. So I don't know if some families buy like an extra gift that goes under the tree, and the person that finds it gets it. But the idea is that you hide this pickle in your Christmas tree, and then it's a fun little hunt on Christmas morning. So I thought that was really cute and picked that up. They had tons of them. So yeah, that's it, guys. That is my Dollar Tree haul. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are having a lovely December and holiday season. Thanks so much for watching, and love and peace to all. Bye.